In a quaint village nestled between rolling green hills, there lived a famous little goat named Ramu. But Ramu wasn't an ordinary goat. He had a special power. Ramu, with his soft white coat and floppy ears, was content munching on grass in the fields. Suddenly, he felt the tickle in his nose. Achoo, went Ramu. Every time Ramu sneezed, something mysterious always happened. At his first sneeze of the day, a large rock nearby rolled away, causing quite a stir among the villagers. "Oh my, he's at it again," exclaimed one villager. "That Ramu is a marvel, isn't he?" Birds fluttered in the sky, flying in a frenzy as Ramu sneezed yet again. A bewildered hen suddenly found itself tumbling to the ground. Our narrator chimed in. His sneezes have power like no other, a force of nature on an international scale. People began gathering around, eager to witness and even benefit from Ramu's astonishing sneezes. "Some say if Ramu sneezes, it charges their phones," joked another villager. One day, with all eyes on him, Ramu dramatically raised his snout to the sky. The villagers leaned in eagerly, anticipating the next marvel. However, to their surprise, not a single sneeze was coming from Ramu that day. Everyone watched intently, waiting, hoping. Then finally, Ramu let out an enormous sneeze. Englishshraddha. The scene faded to darkness, as if the sneeze had blown out the sun. "Oh dear, that one was a bit too powerful, wasn't it?" said a villager, scratching his head in astonishment. And thus, Ramu, the sneezing goat, remained a source of laughter and wonder in the little village. His sneeze is a quirky reminder that sometimes the most unusual talents come from the most unexpected places.